Yes, good afternoon, people from wherever you are in the world. I'm me name Pablo, and this is my take. Yeah, no polish off anything, no fix up, nothing like that. We just give you it just as it is. See a lot of videos going around on YouTube and stuff like that. A lot of vloggers out there and stuff like that. But we think hard on these things because I wasn't the type of person who liked to be upfront on social media, so to speak. In other words, supposed to be a shy guy. Right now, today is a Sunday. What we in? June. I think today is what, June what? Sure, at the exact date, it could be June 5th. But while out in my backyard working here in California, doing my thing as usual when I'm not working for corporate, a video bounce up on me. Not even me bounce up on the video. The video bounce up on me. What they're saying, I think I hear the artist, the Jamaican artist. I'm a Jamaican. For those who don't understand my dialogue or dialect, whether I'm saying it correctly or not, figure it out. Yeah, the program called The Harsh Truth and the Harsh Reality. Coffee. I heard her, and she's someone, whatever preference or agenda is as it regards to relationship, that's not my business. I appreciate her. She waved the Jamaican banner, the Jamaican flag. She go high. I think she got an award recently, probably a year or 2 years ago. I think she got some Grammy same place here in California. And I look up to the young lady. She's a youngster, and she doing well. But I heard her on a forum, if so to speak. I didn't even get to listen because the phone was in my pocket while I heard her. I didn't even get to see, but I heard the voice, and I know that voice was her. They were talking about Clarke's boot, or Clarke's shoes, so to speak, and why Jamaicans love Clarke so much. So my thing on it, the reality, and I'm not sure, probably somebody said, because I'm not sure if I listened to that program until it finished, but based on what I learned from what they are saying about why Jamaican love Clarke so much, I've been listening to the truth. I'm listening for the truth, and I did not hear that. I'm listening for, what I consider to be the truth, and I did not hear that. I'm listening to hear that back in the days, probably some of these young cats probably didn't do their research, so they don't know, or even if they know, they try to kick that to the curb or something. But the harsh reality of Clarke's, so to speak, is a bad man thing. And a lot of people will just sidestep that or pretend that like that is not so. Back in the days when people fly out and them go England and like probably 70s, 80s, 90s and come up and a man send something for them, or them come back and a man or a woman carry something for them have to carry our Clarks. And why them have to carry our Clarks? Because the Clarks make them feel like, and if you notice these different names from the Clarks, I think we have one of them called bank robber. That means so we're ready for rob the bank. That means we're ready for rob the bank, right? And it was always known to be a bad man thing, a bad man style of dress code. I don't hear nobody say that until now. I could be wrong. I really could be wrong. But I'm telling you, for the most part, what I heard from that sketch or whoever was hosting that program, I never hear nobody say it's a true, authentic bad man thing. Back in the day, to the best of my knowledge and growing up as a little youth, I would tell you that I'm a 70s baby. So I grew up as a youngster, born in the 70s, grew up in the 70s, and coming up 80s and 90s and beyond. We know and understand that gangsters in a Jamaica, in our little island where we love, bad man, a Clarks and Bobby socks, sorry, not Bobby socks, diamond socks, them wear. And these kind of shirts were buttoned up right up, and then the pants foot roll up, and the Bobby socks are show, and the diamond socks are show, and stuff like that. And you can get a full view of the Clarks plus the diamond socks. And no, me not hear nobody talk about that. Well, Vybz Kartel is an artist that I respect. He's a guy that have great talent. And I also met him in Ocherius many years ago, like probably within the early 2000s when I was in the street selling phone charger and phone accessories. Yeah, I see him one named Pablo Cell City here. Me did still have my little phone thing and go on. I walk and I sell in the street, and then we did have one little phone shop I go on. We have a little phone shop there on the Jeans Avenue, and then we move it to Dacaster Drive and thing. Yeah. So people will see the face and them will know it and thing. You know, we did die in a half a tree in the street, same way from our vehicle and I do a thing. And thing. Ocherius kind of set up different, so because it's set up different, we did have to walk and sell until Father God help we and we open one little shop and we put people to work and we do a thing and we still a walk and sell. And in the night we just cool out and go on bring out the something them from the car chunk and I sell at the club gate them and thing. So we did do our thing, cause we did serious say we not stay poor even if we not get rich. So we did have some level of motivation in a way from early days and stages and thing. But we don't want to drift from the point. We just talk about the Clarks right now. You know, and where I tell you, say, the Clarks thing really is a traditional bad man style of dress code in a Jamaica. And who don't like it, bite it. And that me have to say. Yeah, I'm out for now. See you again soon. And our next topic. Big up on yourself. Walk good. One love. Jamaica, we're out there. Bless up.